Good morning and Assalamualaikum friends. We're back with another DIY video. So today we are going to make Little Red Riding Hood and we're going to teach you how to make it with that. So first of all, we did a sketch of it and then cut out the shapes like the outline and then draw the face. I know they're not the same, but some of it are nice and some of the faces are like okayish, but we liked it, the DIY. Now we're going to glue it and stick it on a red paper like this cut out. There are 4 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, there are also green bows of it. And the face is here. Now we're going to stick it on the red upper part so that it has a little cute face. Then we're also going to make a tie, which we're going to show you. But first things first, we have to stick her face onto the red cutout so that she's not faceless anymore. Look at that cute smile. She looks like Granny, even though she's a child in the movie. But it's okay. She looks so cute. Wait, was it a movie or a cartoon? I don't really remember because it was really old when I watched it. But now we're going to stick her tie, which is green. I don't know why, but green was matching the tone of it, like white, red, green, so we thought to stick it. But first we're going to check the shape of which it is good. Then we're going to stick it onto its place, as you can see here. And that is our first Little Red Riding Hood completed. We have also done a lot more like the other 3, and just like that, our Little Red Riding Hood is completed. But this is only the first. Now we are thinking a way to make it swing. That the way was that we took a circle and like folded in half like a semicircle. We didn't cut it, but folded in half, glued it, and stick it on the back of the Little Red Riding Hood's cutout. After that, as you can see, we're sticking here, and now she could swing just like that. Easy. See that we have sticked it, and now we're going to show you. She's standing. Ooh, wiggle, wiggle. Look at that. She looks so cute. She's dancing because of happiness. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Wow, she looks so pretty. Like she's swinging. Oh my god. I'm going to cry. She's so cute. Why? Look at that. Are all 3 completed. I know the 4th one wasn't that good. So we just pretend that there were only 3. Okay? Do not mind. The one on the left is the best of it, so we're going to show you. See, they're walking because they're besties. And even though she's her grandma, like the wolf one, but she liked her clothes so much that she just like sticked with her and copied her. But I like the grandma's bow, and I like Little Red Riding Hood face mask. We also made some bookmarks for our friends. As you can see, this is Malia's and mine ones are at the back. And this was the video. Hope you enjoyed and learned how to make the Little Red Riding Hood. Okay friends, that was all for today. Allah Hafiz. Love you all. Have a nice and great day. Take care of yourselves. And like, share and subscribe our channel so you can see more of it.